no one trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala, wahala in the palace. Sapele waligi, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace.
Oh.
You added the drop some kind of things. Yeah? Then you catch this bit. Yes. So you go until you don't call me, my guy. Chai! Una! What I see now? Mine is at everybody now. Mine is at everybody.
Bring that in a person get them.
Yeah, my roaster now. There's nothing there inside. You get it?
Everything will be clean. Come, the person get that thing.
Forget that thing. Leave that thing. Let her go see. Yeah? Let her, my guy, go see.
Yeah? I'm sure God will bless him so that he will come back with a lead. God will bless his work last night. So, just calm down, please.
Mama, you don't even understand. I gave your son one more than 5,000 naira. He said to come early this month to come and collect my bushmeat. This is 9 o'clock. When am I going to prepare the meat for my customer to buy? And this one he said, open your mouth to talk to me.
Is that why you are shouting? Is that why you are screaming? What is it? Town crier. Or you continue to shout? We are hearing you. Scream.
Wait, but you're not going to say no, don't mind that. I
will slap you. I will slap you.
You will slap me. You know, if you leave me, I will slap you back. Who be this one? You will slap me. Try it. Just try it.
Adanna, you know from Najaka. Just don't mind that. Adanna bunkat. I say to other brothers 8 minutes. So respect.
Omaro.
And so what?
Don't mind that. I
think get to start shouting at me.
And so what? Is my brother an animal to you? Are you the only one that owns a beer parlor in this village that you are screaming? What is it?
Don't try me.
Don't worry.
In a Najaka.
Mama, leave
Don't
me.
try me.
Mama, free me.
I will slap you. I will slap you. Ese is not your age mate. Okay, one car. He's not your age mate. We call him a Google. Nah, don't mind her. I am sure he's on his way. Just calm down, bro. Don't worry. Makonya. Just don't mind that.
I just leave this girl because of you. As for man, I will wait for him to bring my bushmeat. And if he comes back without a bushmeat, heaven will vibrate today.
Right now?
Just wait, he will come.
What will vibrate? You're not going to do anything. You will not do anything. Nothing will happen. Even if my brother come back without that bushmeat, you will not do anything. Nothing will happen.
No, and if you are lucky you're not the one holding my 5,000.
If I get angry, you will not see any bushmeat.
Okay.
Let's bet it. Try
no problem.
It. Try it.
I don't know. You do it.
What will he do? Ogini, what is it?
This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala, wahala in the palace. Sapele waligi, she don't say.
Hold on, don't let anybody participate. Nobody participate.
She don't say, she don't see. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace. Stop! She don't say, she don't see your face.
You come here. Take this. Give me. What is that?
I don't know, my princess.
What is that?
I have no idea, my princess.
Come here. What is that? What is that? God!
Yes, my princess.
What did she tell you?
She says that if Umenwa knocks at the gates, I should not let him in.
Omo, her useless, dirty boyfriend? Get out. Get out! Hey! Give me water to drink.
Hey! Na Princess Cassie. This kind meat, na who catch am?
Na Princess Cassie.
Catch am o.
Na Princess Cassie.
Catch am.
Na Princess Cassie. Na Princess Cassie.
Catch am.
Na Princess Cassie.
This kind meat, na who catch am?
Na Princess Cassie.
Catch am.
Na Princess Cassie.
You get pepper?
Yes.
What of salt am I?
Yes.
I go bring am go. This kind meat, na who catch am?
Na Princess Cassie.
This kind meat, na who catch am?
Na Princess Cassie.
Catch am.
Na Princess Cassie.
Run am.
Na Princess Cassie.
Run am.
Na Princess Cassie. Na Princess Cassie.
Small. Like,
What is this?
anybody
What is
don't
this?
first-
What's going on here? What is this nonsense? What is this shenanigans? What's going on? How dare you? Who brought this animal, this retarded imbecile to this palace? What is this? Who set this fire? What is going on here?
They put fire from me. This one don't do. You know one thing, more than not just attend like say human being there. Person not there.
Are you mad? When I talk, you all listen. Because I am the princess of this kingdom. You lunatic. What is this nonsense? How dare you set fire in my palace? Who brought you here? Don't you know courtesy? Don't you know packaging? Don't you know how to respect yourself? Do you think royalty is nothing? Do you think you just sexually transmitted disease, which is what you should have been?
Just stab you. You dey dress. You dey mad. What man dagger you?
How dare you? You don't talk when I talk. You are nothing from the village. This is not your village. You do not set fire in my father's compound. Do you understand simple and precise English? Or do I need to rephrase my sentence?
Not when you get you see your email in my palace, you cannot enjoy you. They can just be common eye for them. You dey in front by now. By now, once you don't go be your last bus stop, now more try you mad. Don't worry.
I dare you.
I go show you what.
I dare you. Show me what you have.
Only me. Go full sapele. I destroy his friend. Respect yourself, oh.
I dare you.
Temperamental phobia, oh.
Show me.
I go forget that.
Don't be judge. Show me. I do not have your time. I have time for this. I have time for this. Silly. Silly. I do not have time for this silly thing. This is my father's compound. You dare not. This is my father's compound. I will not tolerate any rubbish. Shame go catch some people today. Them go lose. They no go see anything. They go lose.
Don't head back.
Me, I know day for this. Something. My own is that I will wait here and collect my bushmeat. In short, I am not going to my shop. I'm not going to open my beer parlor today. I must collect that bushmeat I paid for.
Yes, you're not going anywhere today. Don't worry, just wait. We are bringing mat and pillow for you, so you will sleep very well. Eh? What if he did not catch any bushmeat? Will you kill him and use him for pepper soup?
Adana, you want to kill me? Adana, you don't too much. You talk too much. Must you talk? What is all this? But supposing he has gone to the palace to see what is that his friend. That
Princess Kamsi.
With my bushmeat? Answer now. Answer. Anyway, he let him go. He must come back with my bushmeat today. I will wait.
What will you do? What will you do? What if he did not bring bushmeat? What will you do? What will you do?
Okay, what
Please
will I do?
close your mouth.
Don't worry.
Because of 5,000.
You know what I will do?
You will not do anything.
I will cut off your head today.
Look at this one.
Adanna.
No, don't go.
Adanna.
You are still standing.
Adanna.
Lie down. Lie down.
Adanna Mechiano. Shut up. No one you keep you a woman. Shut up. Hey. Jesus. Nah, don't be angry. Let me go and look for him. Let me go and look for him. Come on. Unlike what is all this? Don't go sit down.
Aimless man. Woman rapper.
Biko, if you Adanna, don't answer her. Don't talk back to her. Don't even fight her. No labor. Boyankit is just a girl. Let her be ranting. Oh, Biko Butu. Oh, Nadia.
What to where you are going now? Is it this one you are talking to? Look at you.
I did not get any meat for this boy. You. I cannot just sit and watch this nonsense now. Eh? Nico pour the rum. Hey! I can't sit and watch this nonsense. Eh? You want the like that.
Listen, I'll open this gate. I'm warning you, if I climb this gate and come in, you won't like what I will do to you. Open this gate.
What's your problem?
This idiot. I'll be here knocking, shouting, open this gate. Eh? Mama, you won't believe this. The meat that I got, Anunchi, that I got.
You are lucky, Mama.
I was supposed to bring Uchi for Ezenia. As we speak, he's waiting for me to bring that meat.
Ezenia he refuses to go. He's at home. He said he will not leave until you bring that meat.
You see, as I'm talking to you now, she's roasting that meat. Mama, she's roasting that meat. Look at smoke. And I'm telling this idiot to open the gate. Let me go and collect my meat. He's talking nonsense. It's not Buto. What will I tell Ezenia? I need my meat now. This joke is expensive. Come see on Aidala.
Let me take it up from here. I want to speak to the Igwe.
And the idiot guard won't even open the gate.
Butu's here.
I want my meat, doesn't Butu?
I can make you Igwe.
So it's true. You are here, Eze. It is true that you came to see this idiot girl.
I did not come to see her. Calm down now. I'm here for the bushmeat.
Don't even try to cover up. Don't try it. Customers are busy walking into your shop looking for you. But you are not there. You locked up the shop. Just because you want to come and spend time with this harlot. This prostitute.
You are stupid for coming into my father's house and calling me that. Are you mad? In our Puala?
It's okay, it's my wife.
Do you want me to?
Calm down now.
And so what is my business? Did you not hear what she's saying to me? You are calling me a harlot.
You want to get me? You this foolish man. You know that you are very foolish. You don't have sense. Because if you have sense, you won't be doing this to me. No. Wait, let me ask you. Me and that girl, who is more beautiful?
From I know you are more beautiful.
Am I not beautiful? Why are you doing this to me?
You are.
You are very useless. It's only a useless man that will leave his market and go and be seeing one small girl by this time of the day. Hi,
It's not what you think. I'm not really go there to see Adane. You know, I was just there so that we can just try to check.
Don't do what? Don't do what? Eze, don't try this with me. Just be coming home. Follow me. Be coming home. Is that I kill you or you kill me? Because you don't want to hear what? Eh? Prostitute Ashawo. Eh? That is how she's painting her nest. Opening her leg very wide for you to enter. So that you can feed in your fornication eyes on it. Eze me. You see you. Is it that you kill me or I kill you? You see that shop? Don't even bother. Don't even bother. No market for you today. Just follow me. Follow me, Kaina Layad. I'm gonna walk it woman.
Sorry now. Huh?
Hey, Eze me.
Yeah? Make I follow my bushmeat and make I follow my wife. But women say, why is it difficult for people to understand people? No, she said I'm not going to open the shop today. Oh, Ifeoma!
Nabutu, calm down. Calm down. Let us go home.
Mama,
I
will not leave this vicinity until I get my bushmeat back.
Mba.
Yeah? Open this gate. Open this gate. If I nod you, if I nod you, open this gate. Okay.
Calm down. See what will happen.
Now God will be, not be God.
See what will happen. We will go home and confront Eze. Let us refund him his money.
Refund who?
Eze now.
With which money? Mama, I don't have shish on me. I don't have any money. Talk more of refunding Eze. I want my bushmeat. And as for Kamsi, if I slap that girl, if I slap Kamsi, this will be the end of our friendship. What sort of expensive joke is this? She ran away with my bushmeat. She's playing with my business now.
Calm down.
Now the lot of bushmeat is there. What?
Asini, calm down.
Yeah? Open this gate. Open this gate.
Calm down, the king is here.
I don't mark your face.
Calm down.
I don't mark your face.
Calm down, the king is here.
This means sweet die. Well, maybe one where. Anybody that says doesn't like good thing don't go full out.
Yes, so. Exactly. You see? This is why I so much like Princess Kaisi Yochuku. She's so generous. She loves sharing.
Abi, she doesn't act like a princess. Unlike some people that would be raising their shoulders as if they can walk on the water.
But that is why she's Jesus' girlfriend now. What do you expect?
It's true.
She will never sink. In fact, the Lord is her shepherd.
Okay, you people have started. If Princess Chitas finds out, you people will start saying, I did not say anything, no. I did not say that, I did not say this.
Hey, what are you doing here, woman rapper? What are you doing in the midst of women?
Me?
Women are talking, you are talking.
Me, woman rapper?
You know, are you not a woman rapper?
Me? He's your brother. Everybody in your family that is woman rapper.
Hey, what is there? She insulted you to her mouth. Insult her back. Don't call anybody's name.
Oh! Are you not there when she is insulting
Insult
me?
her back.
Yes, so. Man supporting woman.
Why did Princess Chita take Umuna's meat? I thought they are best of friends.
Are you asking me? See, let me do you a favor. Go to the gate and ask for Umuna. Ask him, he will tell you.
Do you know what? All these things you people are doing here does not concern me. I will leave you people to your goods.
Bring your meat, bring the meat. Let me come back to this one. Mbe carefully funky. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing in the midst of women? Oh!
This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess comes in, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace.
I beg you, make this miss no go purge me. I will God beg you. Una, I know say na bad mind now you take this meat, now I take another from your hand. May no go purge me, oh. This one now. Oh, so the remaining ones so they inside now. I go give them to my papa. And for my pillar. If he like, he go give them to that queen. But wait, oh. What he make this queen just they do anyhow where I did? To the extent say they tell my P-man make come on me for palace. What I do you? People wicked though. Hi. I never see this kind of thing, no problem. I pray him say if she follow my P-man and chop this food, he go purge am. He go purge am. She never know me. Worry blood. If she try me for this part, me go show am pepper. Me go show am say na where I be. Say na worry brought up. We no dey carry last. I go just show am where I be. She no go try am with me.
Oh, wow. That bitch tried to raise the palace down with fire. But we needed to see the way the fire was burning. And I tried to quench it. She picked a fight with me.
That's exactly what I've been telling your father. I did not know how and why he thought it wise to bring that child of a nobody, a ghetto asshole, a gangster, from the pit of hell. He decided to bring her into the palace for all of this to happen?
But I'm telling you, that girl is a bitch. She picked a fight with me, the princess of this kingdom. How dare she? How can you imagine that? It's because she's not around. I'm telling you, Mom, that girl almost killed me, if not for the palace guards. Oh, because you're not around, Mom. You are not around. Honestly, Mom, Dad needs to get rid of that witch. That swine from Sapele. I'm not comfortable with her at all. I can't stand staying in the same house, the same compound, with that STD from Sapele. I cannot stay in the same house with her. She's going to infect me, Mom. I will not.
Do not worry. We are very close to the palace. Just calm down. Yes. Be calm. Bye.
What is it? What has she done again?
The question should have been, what has she not done? Kamsirio has done everything wrong. She has done everything unbelievable. She has done everything despicable. Everything bad.
I see.
No, you don't. You do not see anything. You absolutely do not see anything.
I asked a question. What has she done? Answer the question.
Do you really want to know what she has done? Or are you asking me this question for formality's sake? Since you want to know. Kamsirio has set the palace ablaze.
She's not mad, you know that? That can't be true.
Oh God. Why am I even having this discussion with you? You are the wrongest person I'm supposed to be having this discussion with. Because I know you will always take sides with her. Right now, I am pissed and I'm...
Now, you listen. Your ranting will not make me chase my daughter, Kamsi, out of the palace. My flesh and blood, I will not do that.
Oh, really? You are way much blood, you mean? Way much blood?
Not away much blood, but home much blood. Osarity died after childbirth, and her mother took Kamsi away from me. I'm not going to let that happen again. I'm not going to let her out of my sight anymore. Now you get that into your head.
I know one trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess comes in, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Wahala, wahala in the palace. Sapele walige, she don't say, she not dey see your face. Sapele walige, she don't say, she not dey see your face. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess comes in, wahala in the palace.
Igwe.
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 What are you doing here and what happened?
Igwe, Kamsi ran away with his bushmeat, and one of the bushmeat is waiting for him at home. So that is what we're waiting for.
I knew it. No one is capable of causing this kind of commotion apart from...
Quiet, woman! Quiet! What happened?
Igwe, you know me in this village. I don't look for trouble. I was on my way back from hunting when I met Kamsi on the road by the bush side. She snatched my bush meat and ran away. To crown it all, she's roasting it. I'm perceiving it. I'm seeing smoke. And the owner of this bushmeat is at our house waiting for me.
You see?
Umunna, how many times have I warned you never to take my daughter for hunting?
Igwe, I did not take your daughter for hunting.
Have you forgotten she's a princess? Or is it because she finds it funny to be with you?
She met me on the road by the bush side and snatched my bushmeat. I swear.
My daughter Kamsi is not mad that she will just see you on the road and steal your bushmeat. You will have to come back in the evening for this matter.
You would never say anything wrong with Kamsi's actions, so. Sorry, sir.
Gods of our land, own a drink. You understand?
How dare you? How dare you steal a hunter's meat and have the guts to enter this palace and prepare it for you to eat? How dare you? Are you insane? How dare you, thief?
How many how dare you don't tell me? Eh? How dare you, how dare you, how dare you? Now the news so you learn I've been waiting. Don't talk to me anyhow for my papa.
Do you want to corrupt the sanctity of this royal home? Do you?
Who share your sanctity with that one? Who tell you say who tell you say I thief meat? Who tell you?
What is this?
Because you are a thief. You stole your dirty and useless boyfriend's bushmeat and gave everyone in this palace to eat.
You know, the madness wey dey your body, you guys, it be. Thank God say you tossing at everyone. You follow.
Oh, please shut up. I did not eat your dirty and stinking meat.
Enough! Chetachi, I will not have you insult your elder sister in my presence.
No, Alara may insult me, because I swear now, because of you, I dey look her face. By now, I for don punch her. By now, her face, they no go fit gather her. Well, insult me. Continue.
Igwe, is that all you have to say about this lunatic and the meat in front of her?
I have questions to ask her in the evening.
You mean you are going to stand here and watch this lunatic of a girl eat this meat and don't ask questions about it?
I just said I am going to ask her questions at the right time.
Oh, please, Mom, why are you even bothered? Is it not obvious? Father is the one giving this lunatic leg to do all the nonsense she has been doing in this kingdom, in this palace.
Chetachi, if you don't keep quiet, I will have the guards lock you up. How many times have I warned you to be careful of your utterances in this palace? Now get out!
Oh, I'm the one that should be locked up. Why the wild animal roams free?
Get out! Get out of my presence!
I am the one.
Praise person, Igwe, I bet when you want to do the judgment.
Now get out.
No problem. I did my chambers. Oh yeah, now. We're going to see later now. On to the next, Igwe. This is a big deal.
Come, Sirio. How many times have I told you and warned you not to be using this kind of languages in my palace?
Igwe, if not about pidgin, they want me, not to try them again. Just they calm down. Rome was not built in a day. I was born and brought up in Warri. Now pidgin be our language. You don't expect me to say I go just day like this. I start to speak English overnight. Me na Warri blood mix with Igbo. So you go hard me, but na small. Why your wife they behave like this? She don't mad before. She just dey talk to herself. I saw the woman dey open eye like say you want do karat.
Halt! On your knees. You bitches. So you have the guts, the impetus, the audacity to eat a stolen meat in my palace. How dare you? As if that is not enough. You went about gossiping with my name. Takamsi is a better person. She is a better idiot. I'm not among them. I'm not among them. Shut up! You bitches will continue like this until you vomit the stolen meat you eat. Continue it!
What is going on here? What is paramilitary training in my palace? Chetachi!
The next time you hear my name, you all will shiver. Fools.
Stop there! You come back here! I said, come back here! Now you listen to me. Listen very good. The next time, the very next time you try this nonsense again in my palace, I will send you back to your grandmother. Am I understood?
And what did she do to warrant that? Why can't you give my baby a breathing space? Why are you always on her neck? Why?
I have said my words.
My princess, what is the matter? Why is your father ragging at you like this?
I don't know. I did nothing wrong. Only did what is right, what is my right, by punishing these bitches for eating stolen meat.
Have you seen it or no? Have you seen what I have always told you? That my husband, His Majesty, will never see anything wrong with that Agbero. Have you seen it? Huh?
But what kind of a gear is Kamsi? Why would she be going around stealing people's meat? And even the Majesty is not doing anything about it.
Oh no. The exact reason you need to join hands with us. We need to throw that girl out of this palace before she overrides everyone. We need to make haste about it.
No. That character is not good for a princess.
Oh please, oh no, with all due respect, she is not a princess. She does not deserve to be called one. I am the only princess in this kingdom. And nobody dares take that from me.
No. We need to do something about this. That girl irks me. She irritates me. Her presence infuriates the person in me. I do not like the sight of that idiot. That ghetto gangster.
My queen, don't worry. The royal blood does not lust. We must find solution to that problem.
Exactly my point. We need to find the solution, and that should be fast.
Oh, you have started again, Eze. Eze, you have started again. Eze, what did I do to you? Why are you treating me like this? I'm gonna come again.
Ifeoma, what is this now? I just want to go and collect bushmeat. What is it now? Why are you monitoring me like this?
Eze, just say you want to go and beg that girl. You want to go and beg her, it's simple. You want to go and beg her. There is no bushmeat. You want to go and beg her.
Ifeoma, I thought you have settled this at home. See, I have pet you. I even gave you several rounds just to make you happy. Allow me to go and do business now so that I will raise money to take care of my family. Why are you doing this now?
Oh, you think giving me several rounds will make me stop monitoring you and that girl? I will monitor you. You're my husband. You are mine. I will monitor you. As I say, you are not going there. You are not going there. I'll go there by myself and collect the bushmeat.
Ifeoma, allow me to go and collect the bushmeat. It's me that want to use my hand and collect it.
Eze, you are not going there. I said what I said. Go back to the beer parlor. Go back. Let me go and collect the meat. Go back, Eze.
Okay, no problem. Oh yeah, go and collect the bushmeat. If it is what we want, if it is that one, I will bring peace. Go and collect it.
I should go and collect the bushmeat.
Go now.
Oh yeah, you be going back now. Go back to
go and collect the bushmeat. I will go.
Go back, oh. Go back, oh.
Yeah, be going. For ya. Hey. How did I even get myself into this? Those small this inmate just now we're telling me and her people are forcing her on me. I don't like this woman. I don't like her. I don't like a nagging woman. Anyway, no problem. Me and this house.
You might first feed this your market first.
Bless you, the fuck up.
Man,
You not trust me.
calm down,
Hey,
calm
fuck
down.
up, princess. How you feel, am? You enter, be no enter.
Woo! Oh boy, this one go well,
Eh.
oh. But calm down, your body too hot. Calm down.
I think I want
Now
to
your
for the same
market,
level with you
I
now.
dey with you. Oh boy, where you get this bow?
Far. Now for Pakele na.
I tell you.
You dey do as if say you no sabi again.
Oh
My
boy,
guy.
give me, make I drag with you. Oh mo na pakele weed you go dey smoke for you.
You get as dey do for body.
You go just body dey sit everywhere dey soft everywhere dey.
Bad guy.
You know what? I go transfer 20 pa give you na make you arrange. I go tie and give me oh, you understand? I see the arrange small.
Princess, you sabi smoke but you no sabi tie.
My sister, wetin I get you for now? I see there, what may I stress myself? I'm a princess. Forget say we dey smoke both together. Don't worry yourself.
No, I dey respect you now. One boy go side though. Afa. You be hear me something about Kamsi for fun the last time.
Oh, that bitch is getting on my nerves. That bitch is pissing me off. I swear.
Baby, go
I
try
don't know why
calm
that
down.
girl is still breathing. I don't know what to do. That girl has occupied my space. Do you know, to the extent my father prefers her to me. Nothing she does is wrong to my father. I don't know what is going on. I don't know if she used charm on my father, but this is not ordinary.
See, Princess Safa, you try relax.
Give me bono, they tell me to relax. Abeg.
You relax.
God damn, my body they pepper me.
Calm down.
I won't buy that girl.
Never wish like that. Now small snake to the crawl from where thorns dey. You relax your mind. Your blood to the heart. Chill. Listen. You dey forget say I be your friend and I still be Onowo's daughter.
I make her the reason this thing.
No,
be only party for this kingdom now.
Yes, no, and I dey see the way you dey rough your papa sometimes for the kingdom. You didn't get me. I go tell you the truth. You go calm down. That make you dey feel like say you dey abandon. No, calm down. Everything go dey alright.
In fact, you know what? We don't finish.
You don't finish?
May we go run this kingdom now. If I want one bottle for one corner, that side now.
Hey, Swele!
The princess.
Swele for you!
What
are you doing here?
What am I doing here? Where's the bushmeat? Zumuna not back. Where's the bushmeat now?
Come.
Where are you taking me to? And that's come.
Honey, I went to Monna's house. Do you know what he did? He refused to give me the bushmeat. And he said he's not going to refund you.
Are
Can
you
you imagine?
serious?
He dared me.
Umuna told you this?
Yes.
Don't worry, let me go there. Let me go and
Wait, he come. Okay,
allow me, let me go and do it man to man with him and collect my bushmeat or you give me my money.
Don't worry. Let's just go to the king and report him.
Go to Quit King. Allow me to handle him.
Don't worry. I'm going to show Umuna that my name is Kodui for Manobro. I will show him. He will refund your money.
Me, I don't like this, you know. If you have to go, can you like this? One to man, on top tier come now.
I no tell you to make you no fight.
I did not fight though. I didn't fight.
So what you can do? You know they hear word though. This girl, you know they hear word though. You don't listen to me. You neglect all my instructions. And it's very bad.
Okay, I am sorry. I didn't mean to fight her. Imagine this girl barged into my father's house to accuse me of dating her husband. She called me a prostitute.
Must you fight? It's fighting your DNA. And everything I be calm, king, where they misbehave every time.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Which one be sorry?
Nah.
I never talk finish. You know say that woman a married woman.
But now she find trouble now. She called me a prostitute.
Must you fight her?
But am I a prostitute?
You're misbehaving very, and it's very bad. You're misbehaving seriously, and it's very bad.
Nah, calm down. I said I'm sorry.
Keep that sorry.
No verse now.
No.
Nah, my love. My love.
Mama. Princess.
Mama, I don't worry.
How are you?
I do this.
I do this so.
I go chop now. How you there now? Where my guy now? Where you there?
I think he's sleeping.
Which guy you sleeping? They sleep. Ah, my guy!
Where is my bushmeat? Who's your guy?
Forget that thing. Now they calm down. I don't chop on my kid.
You don't chop am? Today I bet they are waiting. Give me my bushmeat.
You kill your friend.
What sort of nonsense is this? You are abusing friendship. You are abusing friendship. Do you know what I went through in the heads of Eze because of that bushmeat? Are you aware?
Calm down.
What's up down?
Because of common bushmeat, now you just...
Give me the money. Give me the money.
You forget to be your princess.
Give me the money. Princess my foot. Being a princess does not give you the license to stupidity. You must pay for that bushmeat. You see? What's this?
Princess Ozuko, it's okay.
It's almost Ozuko.
She's pretending someone is crying after 5 hours.
No, I check my sheep. My sheep still there.
I didn't see any tears now. Which one is yours?
My face are
It's okay. It's okay.
It's my jaw still the same. My face are red. My face is red.
It's okay. Sorry. Come and tell her sorry. It's okay. Your face is still the
Baby, I don't understand. What are you doing? Where are you? Because I don't know what's going on. I think I can hear some noise on your background. Who is that woman? Yes, from the voice I can tell is a white woman. Who is the woman? Collins, I'm not kidding you. Who is the woman? Because obviously the person is distracting you. You're not talking to me. You're not concentrating. Collins, who is the woman? Where are you? In your bedroom. Oh, there's a woman in your bedroom, Collins. See, I'm calling you on video call. Switch to video call. I'm not joking. Switch to video call. Collins, if you don't pick my video call, you have yourself to blame. Collins, pick my video call. I'm not kidding. Pick my video call. Hi, Dad.
Chetachi.
Dad?
So you now have the guts to smoke weed in my compound, regardless of the fact that I am around?
Weed? I don't smoke weed. Was I smoking weed? Did you perceive anything? I wasn't smoking. I don't smoke weed. I don't do that.
You want me to treat you like a daughter, but yet you do not have respect? You don't have regard? You do not have honor for me? How is that going to be possible? Now, Chetachi, listen to me. The next time you smoke weed in my compound, you have me to contend with.
Dad, I don't understand. You're accusing me wrongly. Did you see me smoking weed? Where is the evidence? I wasn't smoking weed. Did you see weed? Weed? I don't smoke weed. Don't know why you're accusing me wrongly. I don't like this. So I know it's that stupid girl that told you.
Shut up! This is my compound. This is my palace. And I have my eyes on the ground. No one told me anything. I saw you!
Do you have CCTV in this compound? How did you see me? Are you now spirit or ghost?
Chetachi, you are daring me. Don't you ever, I said, don't you ever smoke that thing in this compound again. If not, I will hand you over to the authorities. Be careful.
Dad, I think it's about time you let me live my life. I'm an adult. I'm grown. So why don't you just let me be?
If you're an adult and you're grown and you want to live your life, that wouldn't be under my roof for this attitude of yours. I'm not blaming you. It is your mother who refused to give you a proper home training that I'm blaming for all of this attitude of yours. What a life! Don't dare me. Nonsense. Let me see you smoke that thing here again.
Ooh, the only canal I get from here. Ha! This man no make me lose this my canal. No one here is telling me. Oh, what the? Oh, fuck.
Amaka, please now. Amaka, I am talking to you. Please now, eh? Just help me talk to your brother. Tell him that I'm sorry. I swear, I will never fight again. Please. You know, it was not my intention to fight, though.
I've heard you. My brother is very angry with you.
Hey,
why would you fight her?
See, it was not my intention to fight this girl. Eh? She barged into my father's compound, calling me a prostitute. For what? If you were in my shoe, you will react. Please, help me talk to your brother. I don't want him to tell me that this relationship is over. Please, I am sorry. I will not fight again. I swear, I will not fight again.
Ada, you're not even remorseful for your attitude. Why?
If you were in my shoe, will you be remorseful? I said she called me a prostitute. Honestly, I am not, but please, please, just help me beg your brother now. I am sorry. I will not fight again. Eh? I still love him.
I don't blame you.
Oh, don't worry. See, I promise. If you beg him and he accepts, I'll buy you a bottle of Coke. I promise. Please.
You don't see me finish you. The bottle of Coke you won't buy for me, so I cannot afford Coke.
Okay, no verse. Anything you want, I'll buy for you. Yeah. Amaka, no worry. Come, Amaka.
They don't really treat me well for that house. My husband will say. Try.
Your stepsister and good mother.
I tell you, those people they misbehave anyhow. I don't hold myself since man no cut shame for that house. Because if I cut shame, I swear to God, guy, you no go good. And you know me now. You just they brutal if I vex.
Calm down. I want you don't kill me. Calm down.
Yeah, Alpha now. Alpha. You still come meet my P-man. Make it settle us. You know, you supposed to come tell and say we don't settle now.
Yeah, we don't settle.
Once you go up with the case.
Come see.
Huh?
See you in court.
So my go see carry you now. You go come palace me and pass it to us. More go court, abi?
I said see you in court. Come see.
Better if I know who you know so many.
That bushmeat they pain me for, but if you don't know, no. They pain me.
Mama, I told you. You see Brother Munna here and that Princess Kamsi. They are just funny people. Brother does not even have a heart.
Leke, I know why I forgave her.
Munna! Okay? You that we know.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay, were you expecting me to kill my bestie?
But you are the one that told us that you are going to do this. You will beat her. You must provide the meat.
I changed my mind. It's okay.
Okay, no problem. But I want to know.
how did it happen? Because I overheard her saying that you promised her the meat. Then she bought a gun for you for your birthday.
Ah!
Yes, but that's not the point. The point is I kept the bush meat and was easing myself.
You added the drops or catches. Yeah? Then you catch this meat. Yes. So you go until you not call me, my guy. Chai! Una! What I see now? Mine is at your body now. Mine is at your body.
Bring that in a person get them.
Yeah, my roast now. That's nothing there inside. You get me?
Everything will be play. Come, the person get that thing.
Forget that thing. Leave that thing. Let her go see. Yeah? Let her, my guy, go see.
Yeah. No problem. No. That was what happened.
But brother, I hope you know that His Majesty already heard about it and he wants to hear the full story. So you have to go to the palace and explain everything to him.
Okay, yeah, man.
Leave it for me. Igwa de remote. Go Japan.
Okay.
Hello? Alright. I'm coming.
Who called you?
His Majesty just summoned me.
I said it. He wants to hear the full story.
No problem. I will follow you to the palace now.
Me too, I will follow.
Finish your food first. No head and walk.
I do not hate any of my children. Stop diverging nonsense into your head.
Unfortunately, you are hitting on my daughter so much these days that it's becoming so unhealthy. It is unhealthy, it is unlike you. You're hitting on my daughter, I do not like it.
Listen, I will not have a weed smoker in my house. You are part of the reason why she's behaving the way she's behaving, like a gangster. Look at her sister. Her elder sister, Kamsi. Despite the fact that she grew up in a very bad environment and that she dresses like a man, have you ever seen her return home late and drunk like the way your daughter Chitati does? Have you?
Listen, the comparison of my daughter with that lunatic is uncalled for. It's absolutely not necessary. Please don't.
Woman, none of my children is a lunatic.
Kamsi is a lunatic.
I said none of my children is a lunatic. You are part of the reason why Chitachi is behaving the way she's behaving because of your poor upbringing of her. Take a look at this. I will continue to tell you that you have failed like him as a mother. And one day she will grow to regret all of these actions of hers. Mark my words.
May the gods of our land forbid it. My daughter is a princess and she will not regret anything. She's just living her youthful life. That's all. As for that girl, she has not seen the last of me. She hasn't.
Oh, now you're enjoying your drink and I'm not drinking.
You want a whiskey?
Then where are they?
It's coming.
Ah, I'm just so tired. Oh, thank you.
My princess.
Collins is cheating on me and I know it.
Oh, please. Can you just stop assuming for once? Collins called me and told me to beg you. He said you keep accusing him of this same thing.
Oh, come on, Uloma. We are not kids. We do this all the time. Now me and you dey here. What's to worry you? This nigga does not pick my call during the day. Who does that?
Exactly. That's because he's working. Or at least that's what he told me.
I hear.
Calm down.
What happens to the things we do over the phone? The videos? What happens to that?
My princess.
How do I get off?
Please don't bring me into that. You know I can't say anything about that.
Of course you can't. Of course you can't.
I can't. Listen, I'd advise you, if you miss him that much, travel. Go to London, go see him. Or better still, get a dildo.
Ah, please. A dildo? I don't like dildo. I like my man touching me. Dildo will suck my breast. Go for you. Oh, come on.
You know what's gonna happen? Please stop nagging me. Just wait for him if you can't get it. If you can't get it, wait for him, please.
Uloma, you're forgetting something. I made this boy.
I know.
I sponsored him abroad.
I know.
I met this boy.
I know.
So he's supposed to be there for me anytime I need him. And anywhere I need him.
Princess, make me understand something. Are you trying to tell me you based your relationship, I mean your whole relationship, solely on sex? At a point, is he not supposed to hustle? I mean, you sent this guy to London for Christ's sake. He's supposed to hustle. There's supposed to be a result. Baby, you need to calm down. Just chill for Christ's sake, please. And stop nagging me to death. Now your mother.
You know what? I'm done with this. Let's go to your house. Make I go blow can beg. I didn't know boss.
I just got here. How am I supposed to be leaving?
I said let's go to your house to blow can. I waiting they worry you.
Wait. I just wish I never even. They're supposed to bring food for me, chop or something now.
You smoke can before you chop food. You don't understand the code.
You know what?
Be you sincere, you will agree with me that what you did downstairs is not the right way to judge a simple and clear matter of that nature. You are a biased king, and it is not healthy for your throne.
Maybe when you metamorphose to a king, you can pass your own judgment.
You are simply protecting your illegitimate child. Yes.
I will continue to hold my anger, because if I use it on you, your life will have another dimension for all this rubbish you have been saying.
Ah, really? You are a biased king.
Thank you. Unbiased queen.
Now, whenever I tell you something for you to hear, why are you like this? I'm warning you. I don't like this thing you are doing. Why will you collect the money? Why will you collect it? Why will you collect it without telling me?
What kind of nonsense are you saying? Eh? What is wrong if I collect the money?
Did you tell me? Did you tell me before collecting it?
See, I don't need to tell you. She didn't tell me that money is for the meat.
You see, you are a fool. You are just a fool. That's who you are. Who in this village or who is in this town that don't know Mona and Princess Kamsi? You don't know their best of friends? That Princess Kamsi come and give you money. You don't know that it's for the meat. Now, why did you not tell me? Are you going to pay for damages?
Eze, look, we are still on the safer side. That money is not for the meat. It is for the delay and other things.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You see why I am chasing all these small girls with good head? Because when looking at you are just carrying uku with empty head. You are just any. That is what you are. You are just a dummy. You don't know anything. That is who you are. Also,
Eze, you called me a dummy.
That is who you are. Because you going to hear what?
You called me a dummy?
Yes.
Eze, you called me a dummy?
Yes.
This is trouble in the palace. Princess Kamsi.
How you say me? I don't even know what to do on the normal. Sometimes You are good, say. You just say, you just keep some kind things to yourself.
What the hell is going on here?
Based on who you do.
What is this?
What's happening?
What are you doing? On my mother's roof. Don't you have respect? Is everything you see in this palace that you touch? Don't you know your boundaries?
Chetashi, trouble don't tire you. Like we were there naturally now, we be troublemaker, but trouble they tire us. You really tire from trouble. What did they do you? Eh? Retire. Trouble no they pay. Wickedness no they pay. They bring other people down. You know they pay. You just want me every time they suffer. May you they enjoy. This is not so life be. Low self-esteem. I beg shift.
How dare you talk when I'm talking? Why would you address me like that? Don't you have respect? Don't you know what royalty is? Eh? You think it's something you can get from sex? Like your mom did? Mom! Mom! Mom!
You call your mama to say, you call your mama to say if your mama come now. No, your mama go come now. Tiger. Tiger go come bite me.
What is happening? I hear you scream my name.
Can you imagine? On your special rope. STD from Sapele. Using your rope.
No be Sapele. Na Sapele. Ah, show me Sapele. Ada! You report to your mama now based on saying your mama na police officer.
Ada!
Your mama will come beat me.
Get me a knife.
Why they report to her? She go come beat me. Your mama get level to beat me. Your mama no get level. No, na your sabi they do small bad. Na only way to na pass.
You're mad.
Just
You're
like
silly.
You. Just like you.
You're not even. Who raised you?
Chetachi, listen to me.
Yes, mom.
Any day, anytime you see this gangster from Sapele using any of our thing in this palace, destroy it.
Thank you, Mom.
Am I clear?
Thank you, Your Majesty, with all pleasure.
I no go talk. I no go talk. I know say na my temperament na dey try bring out. I dey get anger issues. I dey get serious anger issues. And my anger, it be like seed. If I plant am, it must germinate.
I will wait for that day.
You no go survive am. That day you no go survive am. And I mean am.
See, I don't like the way that treating Princess comes in this palace. I don't like it.
My happiness is the king is not in supporting their treatment.
Abi?
Yes.
What do you think?
People will tell one day, I believe. And they'll all be sorry for what they did to her.
Because I'm not comfortable. It's very bad. Eh?
Please, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Amaka, you're laughing. You have to talk to your brother because Unoma is doing impossible to make sure he collects Nana from you.
Am I a salad?
How will I know? I'm telling you so you'll be aware.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What happened to you? Why you go to away? Go this side.
This woman is mad.
Stop. It's okay.
Are you mad? Which one is am I? I don't know which one is am I mad. Wait. That was the exactly slap you gave to me in your house. I told you this.
What's wrong with you? Why you go hit her?
That was the same slap you gave to me in your house. I told you that this fight is never going to end until you leave my husband alone.
Really?
What's
now so you want that?
You want beat
me? You want beat me? You want beat me? They want to kill me!
It's okay. You leave here. Leave here. It's okay. What's wrong with you? Adana! Stop!
I hear what are you talking about? Let them gather at least 5 of our youth. Send them there, let them go and present us. Yes. What?
What is honorable?
Greetings. How are you?
Okay.
Huh? Yes.
I must mean I can get this go to. My princess. Is my king coming?
Yes. So, how is my friend, your daughter?
She's fine. She's fine.
Good to know.
My princess. My king.
The chair. Oh no, my king. When you get there, give it to him and tell him that I and my family will be coming to sympathize with him for the loss of his wife later.
Thank you, my king. I bet I take my leave now.
You may leave.
Thank you.
Chetachi, where is your elder sister?
I don't have any.
And who cut the rope at the backyard?
I don't know. How do I go about this?
Why is the princess was looking at me like that? Even coming close to me. She even touched me. What is going on with Princess? I saw things in her eye.
So I should allow you to fight to death now? No WWE, UFC.
Yeah, what do you expect me to do? Who will take that? If it were to be you, will you take it? See, for the slap she gave me, I left her. But fighting your sister, my best friend, that I will not take. I will not take this rubbish from her. I will not try it.
All I'm saying is, you people should stop this fight. Stop it. It's too much. You people are women now. Must you fight every 4 Eke market day?
You have to talk to your friend, Eze. Tell him to warn his wife to stay away from me. Because she try this next time, it will not be like this, so I will not leave her.
My brother, any person who attack me, I go attack that person back. I don't go wait. I don't go even waste time. ASAP.
We'll deal with that girl. We'll deal with that. Eh? Which kind of nonsense is this one now? Why is she behaving like that? Is she mad? Eh?
See, I think it's time we combine hands together and beat up that girl. Let's beat her up and her friend.
You see all these things you are saying? They're not getting into me. Eh? My problem is how Nana will start finding me attractive in this video.
That is what I'm saying.
Look at me now. Am I not fine enough?
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
That is what I'm saying, my sister. Eh? We need to start by dealing with that girl and her friend. Once we deal with her like this, the rest of the problem is solved.
Let me tell you the truth. Joke aside, I am your friend and I will tell you the basic truth. Ezenna, your husband, he's a womanizer.
Don't even say that to me again. I thought you're my friend.
That's what what did I do wrong? I'm telling you the truth because you're my friend.
How can you say that my husband is the one following them? They're the one following my husband like a cow.
Is that what you tell yourself? To sleep in the night? Girl.
See, I thought you're my friend, but I just realized now that you're not my friend.
What did I do?
You are not my good friend.
You want to confuse me? I'm just trying to help you. Your husband that is busy following everybody.
I know one trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart, yeah. This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Ay, wahala, wahala in the palace. Sapele walige, she don't send you, she don't dey see your face. Sapele walige, she don't send you, she don't dey see your face. This is
Igwe, why now?
Kamsi, where are you going dressed like this?
Igwe, calm down now. This your beat not the heavy. They always ask you that thing. No, they're going now. Come on, all of us.
Come back here. Have you forgotten you are a princess?
I don't forget say I be princess. Now people they carry princess for head. Now that one concern them.
Igwe, why are you wasting your time trying to teach a full-grown adult how to dress? This has come to what I've always told you. This girl is no royalty. She is no royalty.
You will carry, we won't carry things. All these things are they heavy you.
Go inside.
Huh?
I said, go inside now and dress properly like a woman.
Oh, you there?
Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me.
Kamsi.
Well,
inside.
A pig is a pig.
You gonna not like this way you do now. I don't like it.
I said, go inside now and dress properly.
Pima, you all this, you know, I know you all like all this kind of thing. You see my normal dressing. Wait. Nah, I just want to go show me the thing.
Oh, please, I'll be in the car.
Don't keep me waiting.
This is trouble, trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble, trouble in the palace. Ay, wahala, wahala in the palace.
This is better.
No, P-man, no be smart thing be this thing, no. I know they like this kind of thing. None of they allow people make their day as God take create them and say no.
Kamsi.
Eh? Hey. You didn't none of the hold me now.
Sure,
what did they worry on?
Sorry.
When I want for.
No.
Now don't like me. When I don't like me, when I wage me, na princess I be.
Hold that carefully. Take her inside.
You see this thing? You see this thing? Give me back.
Sorry.
I am on the go. Wait, Mona, wait. Release me first. Release me. Igwe. You see what I tell you?
If I'm wild, do you know where she came from? From very far away, land like a bomb. Sapele wali girl, she knows see your face. Anything where you be, now for your domot. Anything where you fall, now for your pocket, yo. Trouble, every day. If you know, make you know right now. Original Sapele worry girl, don't land the but she get a good heart to shine. Wow, we're palesi bovi, mana chokwana yoku, ito yoku, ike weta kwatura polo, yabe kume.
I know. Open. Anna, come down. Open.
Anna, what is it now?
Anna.
What is it now?
Open. I've been waiting on this road for you. I've been calling you and you've not been answering me. What have I done?
Please, point of correction. My name is not Obim. I'm not your love and I will never and I can never be your love. My name is Nana. So what's your problem? Why are you calling me?
Nah.
How may I help you?
I don't know why you're doing this to me. Is it a crime to fall in love with you?
I will break this hand though. It's a crime. It's a big crime. I know what I want and you're not that type of woman for me. Please, I don't know what's giving you the impetus to think you can talk to a guy like me. Please. Respect boundaries.
Nah. Don't tell me you're saying this because of Adana. Adana. Nah, let me tell you something. I am not a cool person, oh. Is it because I've been behaving cool to you? I am not, oh. Listen to me and listen very well. I know what I want in this village. Mwah. It is you I want. And I will get you. Yes!
In your dreams. It's me you want. You get me like I'm so cheap to get. Please. You understand me? Don't stop me next time to talk this rubbish with me. Is that clear?
Obim, don't.
Please. You're not my type of woman. I know what I want and that's not you.
Me?
Yes.
Obim, can you not see me? I'm good.
You're not good. I know what you want. I'm untiable. Don't stop me next time. I want you.
Obi, this thing you are doing. See, no problem now. I will get you in this village. You think you are playing with me? Adana, by the time I disfigure Adana, you will go for only me. You hear me? That Adana, that... Don't worry. I will disfigure Adana. And by that time, you will only see me in this village. No problem. Me.
What is this? What's now? Oh God! What is this? What is this? What is wrong with this man? Leave me alone. What is it? Leave me alone. What is wrong with you? What?
You are my wife, for heaven's sake.
And so? And so what? A wife you have refused to respect her wish. Huh? Listen, I have been waiting for a day like this. A day you would want to do the do. You know this do? You are going to do it in your dream. This do will be done in your dream, not on me.
What has come over you? What has come over you? Why are you doing this to me? Oderoma, this is not right.
Really? You want to know? Since you have decided to take sides with that rubbish girl, that girl you got from the slum, you are going to touch yourself all your life. I mean, you will never cross here again. I will never allow you to cross here. Never. What are you looking at? You will never cross here.
You are denying me my conjugal right.
Oh.
You are denying me.
Whatever. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Nonsense. Please allow me to sleep. Allow me to sleep.
Let's not fight over this.
Hold on, baby. Make a drag. I know you like it when I smoke. It's so sexy. Let me show you something. Do you like it? Who is that? What are you doing?
We need to talk. Just calm down. Don't go for the do grand. What's with this one?
What's in the waiting?
They smoke. What's in the drink?
Concern you. Leave my room.
I do this kind of time.
I said in my room.
Calm down. More sit down. More talk.
I don't want to sit down with you. You're not supposed to sit on my bed. Get out.
See, you see this guy the way they do. Eh? You know reach me half for Chris. If I Chris for years, I swear to God your Chris go pow.
I dare you to Chris.
Don't know. I don't want that kind of thing from here. You know they smoke this thing. I know they like this thing.
If you don't like him, you leave my room. This is my room, so get the hell out.
How you don't get like you go down your waist? Wait till they smoke.
Concern you.
I wanted them house with this kind of
smoke yourself, make your head correct. If you blow one, now make your head set.
You need deliverance.
Get out.
And I'm 40 days fast.
Get out! Get out! Fool. So baby, where were we? Baby, I'm sorry about that. Don't mind my useless sister. She's just a fool. She's a bit spoiled for no. And you almost there. I saw it that you was coming on. Hey! 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 Hey!
When did you start doing this?
Oh, Igwe. Hey, there's always a start to everything.
You're not used to doing exercises.
Yeah.
So how come?
My friends say that I'm adding weight. So this is me trying to shed some weight. As you can see.
But I am not complaining. I like the way you are.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You like the way I am?
Yes.
Unfortunately, I do not like the way I am. I want to lose some weight so I'll look more slicky for you. So, as a matter of fact, I have registered in a gym house and we are starting training sooner than you think. In fact, I'm going to that place now. Yes.
You have done what?
I've registered in a gym house.
That cannot happen.
Oh. Why? Igwe, I am going to shed some weight in a gym house and you cannot stop me.
Have you forgotten who you are? A queen, a mother, and a role model to many. Forget about all those other women you see out there who dress anyhow, go to gym houses. They have intentions. And I'm very sure that their husbands are not aware of what they do. You are different from them. So you cannot do that.
Igwe, you cannot stop me from going to the gym house. The body is my body and I say what happens to this body. I want to lose weight. Nonsense. You must succumb to me. You are my husband. How can I allow my husband to be behaving like a baby, a child? No way. You are going to succumb to me. I am your wife. But honestly, God, this thing is not easy. It's a very tedious task.
Oh, princess. Oh, where is this girl? Chetachi!
Yeah.
My princess, please come. You are keeping me. Let's go.
Yeah. Ready?
Yes.
What is going on here?
No, that's how they do it.
I said, what is happening here? Why are you dressed like this? And where are both of you going to?
To the gym, of course. I thought I told you.
To the gym. Yes. That's a no.
What is a no? My daughter and I are headed for the gym house and I don't think you can stop us.
Mama, do not dare me. I said, do not dare me. How can you grab my daughter and dress her up like a retired prostitute all in the name of going to a gym house? Are you mad?
Retired? Oh, Dad, this is gym wear. You're just old school.
You keep quiet.
Very well then, let me see you. Stop us from going to the gym. The queen has spoken.
Isioma, stop there. Isioma, stop there. I said stop there.
Now. Stop me. What is it?
Please stop it. What are you all looking like? Will you get inside? Now get inside and remove this and quiet.
I am not going inside to remove anything. I am heading to the gym. I want to shed weight. The body is mine.
Hey, it don't happen. It don't happen.
And who invited you here? Who invited you here?
Go down and show your wife. Sorry. Excuse me. What in the name of Sisi they happen for here? Who they do Sisi? Why now you this kind of thing on Bekus they show? What did they happen? No, it's anything abominations. Listen.
Shut up your mouth.
Don't dare me. Isioma. Do not dare me.
I dare you. I dare you. I am going to the gym. I am going to shed weight. It is my body. I want to work on my body.
Gym? Queen, they got gym. Igwe, make I tell you the truth. You see this thing where she just talk so. Not try am o. Anything wey make this woman come up for this gate, your own don go be that. You see this waist. Gym where akpo be boys, they dead. Boys wey carry muscle. They wait for the way they'll take dissect am. If this woman come back, carry this nyash, come back the way it be, you go know say my name no be council. They don't scatter her waist. Anything wey make her come up for this gate, you cannot come back and say, listen to me, Igwe. Listen to me when I talk to you. Man to man. You understand?
Man to man?
Igwe, oh God. You understand what they tell you? Don't let this woman come up for here. They go all dissect her. And you see this thing, if you enter here, you go be like, bow.
Oh God.
I mean, you want to do muscle like that. You can't do nothing but that rats, you know if you do pass. They do all those muscles, you know if you do anything. I mean, they do nothing.
I detest you. I detest you with everything in me. Who invited you in this conversation? You don't put your filthy, dirty, gutter mouth when I'm talking to my husband. You don't.
Man, they want you first. Don't they remind me say you hate me. I know say you hate me naturally. So me and you don't get any talk. You understand? No, Igwe, I tell you, let's discuss. Until men will be. You see this woman, don't let her come for here. Anything will make this woman come for here, you will never meet her the same. You see all those men, they go dissect her. You see as small children they rush party rice, party jollof. Now so they go to rush your woman. And they go scatter her. And if they don't finish, enter and fall, because one person don't go do them. Fall, all those gym men. Once they don't finish your wife, now you go carry royal gift to give them. Because they go scatter, they will dissect. Igwe, take heart. Take heart.
Come see.
You know easy.
Go there and lock up the gate.
Who be council? Me? Now me you come and send message. Are they crazy? Are they mad? Husband and wife matter. I'll come pull mouth. This I never hear stories. Say they never pull mouth for husband. I remember come
go unlock the gate. Fool. Go unlock the gate.
Yeah.
He instructed.
Where
is he going?
Where
is he going?
You're referring to my mother as that woman. You don't crazy.
No, me, you don't.
Are you mad?
No, me, you don't
get respect.
No, me, you don't.
You don't get that for that village. You don't crazy.
No, no,
you don't crazy. And my mother, you talk to like that. Don't you know she's the queen and I'm the princess of this kingdom?
Come on, for you.
You don't push the princess.
I'm enjoy you. Not they try me again. Now you be princess.
You want to talk about that?
Now be the princess. You understand? Now me be the princess. So this I not send all this kind of thing.
Says who?
This I will talk.
Says who? I don't well. I just don't respect my father. I don't.
Give me your life. Give me your life.
It is good to live as one family.
I know why you're doing all of this. But I tell you the truth, it will not work.
You know what? You are simply a jealous king. A jealous king! That's who you are!
You can call it whatever you want, but now listen to me. See that gym? It's not going to happen in my palace. Is that the reason you had to dress my daughter like a retired prostitute, not because of a gym house? Are you mad?
You see that gym house? I am going to participate in everything that will happen there. What I know best is that in this your head, the only thing you have in your head right now is Kamsi. As far as I know, she is the one in charge of your thought process. But be that as it may, that gym house, I will go there to work out. I will lose weight. I will get the shape I want. The body is mine and I will get my body the way I want it to be.
That is your business. But I want you to know that you have not seen the other side of your husband, the king of this kingdom, and I will show you that which you will regret for the rest of your life. Don't dare me, Isioma. Don't dare me.
the meaning of this? How can all of a sudden the queen just start to behave like a baby? Huh? Anyway, what is really the problem of Princess Chetashi? Huh? Princess Chetashi? Is it that this girl wants to lure me into sleeping with her? And I don't joke with the girls of her color. Huh? What I say today, said. Now how am I going to avoid this temptation? Huh? What have we got this one? Okay, what will I do now? It's like I will stop going to the palace. I will stop going to the palace. Anytime the king sent for me, I will tell the king that I'm not feeling fine. I will tell the king that I'm not feeling fine. In fact, I'm not going anywhere again. Huh? Is there any way I can dodge this girl? Huh? What have we got this on man? Hey! Welcome, Sirije. Welcome, Sirije. Huh?
Honestly, I know why you are doing this. But what I don't know is, why are you targeting me? Why?
Hey! Wait, you're asking me why I'm targeting you? So you don't know why I'm targeting you? Because you're the problem! Yes! You're the subject matter.
Loma, I have begged you. Eh? I have begged you. I don't beg you. Daughter of Onowu, please, have Nana to yourself. Do whatever you want with Nana. It's not my problem right now. Eh? Have you seen me talk about Nana anywhere? Have you seen me fight over Nana with you? Have you seen me asking Nana to leave you and follow me? Have you seen me do that? Eh? See, butterflies know their worth. They don't chase kids. Kids are the ones that chase after them.
Are you mad? Eh? Wait, is it me you're using?
Oloma, you slapped me.
Yes! And I will slap you again. Stupid girl. You open your mouth and be using stupid proverbs on me. Come, it be like say you dey mad. Yeah? You want me to gather boys, me they rape you for this?
I will slap!
Rubbish! Come on, get out of here before you spit on my face. Idiot. If you try me in this village, I will beat you. I will so beat you that nobody will even recognize your face.
I will slap!
Is it me? Come, Ada, be very, very careful. Be careful. Rubbish.
I will not retaliate.
No, nah, do it.
No, I will not fight you. I will not fight you. It's okay.
You would have done it so that I will beat you. Look at your head. Rubbish. Talking to you and walking out on me. Come get out! Rubbish. No, now pants on me so that I will kill you here. Stupid girl. Get out! Last one. Anywhere you see me in this village, if you see me passing this way, you pass the other way. Because if you ever come face to face again with me, peace will be far from you. Until you leave Nana from me. Idiots.
Don't fight. I will not.
Michelle, please. I'm here to beg you to talk to my husband. Tell him that I want to lose weight. Yes.
Why? Can you tell me why? Please.
Yes. You know my husband is a jealous king. He's stubborn and he's jealous. I want to go to that gym house. I want to be going there to watch my weight, exercising and be losing weight. I know that when you talk to him, he will mellow. And if I continue pressing, he will not allow me to go to the gym house.
My queen,
Our initial plan was to chase Kamsi from the palace. How come about this? Getting guidance in their hand,
All of them. All of them. They plan to chase Kamsi. Yes, that one is standing by. But you see this one? God, I want to go to the house.
I cannot convince the king to allow you to go to the gym. Yes. But I can tell him to allow you bring the structure to the palace.
Huh?
Yes.
Great! You are a genius. You are a genius. This is a better idea. If the instructor comes to the house, if he comes to the palace, when he will be touching my waist, the king will be more jealous and angry. Thank you so much, Anna.
What is it? Why not go inside and have a nap, please?
I want to take the nap here. Or are you going to restrict me here too?
Look, sit up.
Oh God, this. I told this woman that this is going to be.
Since when did you start dressing this way, this little girls? Have you forgotten that you're a queen and mother, for Christ's sake?
Say the label. Does it have little girls on it? Please give me a break. I just want to rest.
What will happen? Number one wrong things for you. I dey like 10% though.
What is your business? This stout.
Kamsi, where are you going dressed like that? You're even wearing my shirt.
Huh?
Eh? Since when did you start wearing my shirt?
Okay, wait. Oh, you both now share shirts, eh? Igwe, are you sure that what you told me that two of you are is what you are?
I like one for you to say everybody na prostitute like you. See, Pima.
Me prostitute?
Forget say two of us wear better clothes. These clothes we wear together now, it means say we be blood. You understand? So have fun, Pima.
Kamsi, I want you to go inside now and remove this clothes. Wear something properly.
His Royal Majesty, I've said this several times over. Let me tell you for the optimum time. A commoner can never be royal.
Pima, I get events where they go where they invite me. You understand? I need to do fast. They don't they wait for me. And no one don't they wait for me too. I need to meet up with the events.
You have events to go?
Yes. I get events where I want to attend. I haven't this. I go even do. If I call that thing where they say they can't give me microphone, I be speaker.
God, you give speech. Then that speech must be in warrior language. His Royal Majesty. I've said this several times over. Let me say it for the optimum time. A commoner can never be royal. Even if you put it in their clothes, it can never suit them.
Now this juju, this kayamata, now you tell who my papa?
If you dare use those feet.
No, I want you to go up there. Remove this thing from your body and dress properly like a princess. Now do that now. I said go up there and dress properly.
Pima, no need to raise your voice to tell me what. I no go fit disobey you. Anything we talk, I will do. But if they say na for the other witch wey dey here.
Who is a witch?
I call your name. No be hand I point. Pima, you be good man. Don't let anybody change you.
Goodness, boy, God save my life. Help me! What's wrong with everybody in this palace?
Have you seen what you have brought upon us? That girl.
Now shut up.
She's a...
I said shut up!
She's a menace.
Nah, this clothes, suffer. The thing they cause heat too. This kind of wahala come with this one. That's why they suffer from this clothes. Not my for what they're not supposed to wear this kind of thing. They will all laugh at me. All my gang members go don't laugh at me.
Okay, it's kind of bit.
Huh? Just the thing tire me. I know who they breathe. You don't tidy up.
It's okay. Wait, it's very gorgeous. It's very, very fine.
It's gorgeous. So what if this one? That's what they saw. You go oversize something. What if this one? That's kind of the corner. Just see.
Your father will not allow you to go out like that. Wear this one.
My sister, I better go. You get all that thing when they give me my coffee. I don't tire. You get all that thing? You want to tie the leg? You never tire?
No.
Oh, I tire. Jesus. You should say no go shock me.
No, it will not. Sorry.
I dey shock you.
You will not choke.
What kind of cloth be this one that they give person?
Sorry.
My sister, I'm not saying you no go. No, I'm not sure you say you go tire me.
Isioma, what is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what?
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. I want to sleep.
Then sleep properly.
This is how I want to sleep. This is my husband's bedroom. I want to sleep this way. Besides, I want to start going to the gym house.
Never. I will not let that happen.
Then allow me to sleep the way I want to sleep.
Okay. I'll stay.
Where are you going? We shall see.
You know me now. About what you were telling me the last time. I have changed my mind. You know that Uloma? I will just let her be. I will leave her. I have promised your brother not to fight with anyone in this village. And I will not change my mind.
Do you know that Princess Uloma smoke weary?
Who doesn't know that? Everybody in this village knows. Even Princess Chetachi is her partner in crime. They smoke together.
Even Pakele is the main supplier.
That boy has made so much money from that weed business because since Princess Chetachi entered this village, the rate at which she smokes.
How can a princess be smoking Indian hemp?
Is Indian hemp meant for non-princesses? My dear, it's their own cup of tea, none of my business. Take it back.
Wait.
Take it back. My brother. Brother, you are looking so handsome.
You look good.
Benzema dinner.
Where are you going to?
I'm going out with Princess Kamsi.
Oh, Mona, I hope it's not worry you. You know the last time we went out with the princess, the father nearly killed you.
Mama, we are going to a function, not to worry. Yes.
My name is Mama.
Yes.
Don't change.
This looks good on you. It's beautiful. Don't you see?
I know they overhype these big clothes. Come be like saying I cage the poor person. See the turtleneck, they all they press me. I'm like saying I want strangle person. Even if you see this thing, I know you use your hand and kill yourself. All this thing where you must be fashionable, you know with my thing. But I go do anything for you based on say you my be man. And I like you and you be good man. I will do anything for you. Be man, I bet you give me small money, I bet. Not everybody for the answer, come out.
sure I will transfer something into your account.
Okay, see you down at the cousin.
Yes. But you must promise me that you will not return from that event looking like Umunna returning from hunting.
No, no, you go decide that. I am going to go.
No, that's not for women.
Okay, not for women. Well done, son. Well done.
Please, you're running. Can't see.
She just left the palace. I want her to be thoroughly beaten. And then kill. Shoot her in the head. I want her stupid brains out. No mistake. I repeat, no fucking mistake. I'll send your money immediately. She will go and never return alive. I am Princess Chetachi, the only legitimate princess of this kingdom.
I no want trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart. This is trouble.
Who is winning there? Asalikono.
Asalikono was an aqua. I've heard all you said.
We are not gossiping. Don't you?
Oh my God.
And nobody.
More they go.
Raise down your clothes, man. What are you wearing?
Kapusu. That's canvas with a touch of princess.
How can you wear princess clothes native with canvas? It's clashing. We can't go out like that.
Hey, Nana ghetto, Nani Garo with Mama Fairy Tale.
No. You can't go out like this. It's embarrassing and people will laugh at us.
Try me say I can't go out like this. It's embarrassing.
You know they go like that. They use a high heel wear this kind of thing.
My papa give me high heel. The high heel nearly for me. Now I tell her say I better go back to my canvas. Now he forced me to wear this gown. He said now what I go wear. If not, I don't think go palace go change again. My papa no agree. More they go.
Everything well like you they do. They consider the society where you do. We can't work out like this, please. Go commode that thing now. You can't wear TV and wear canvas.
I don't feel change. You know the young they tell say your king. My papa they tell say now what I go they wear. My go as again. I know you do that kind of thing. Come on, they go. Come on, they go now. Come on, they go.
Brother Mona. Please go with her now.
Follow her now.
With this, never you seem follow her.
Mom!
Calm down. He will go with you.
Follow her now.
Brother Mona.
I wanted to discuss something very important with you. But it's all done now. I don't need you anymore.
It's alright, my princess.
Hold on. Do you know why my mother, the queen, is eager about the gym instructor?
No, I don't know. Why?
I'm done with you. Oh, no, we don't know, please. I'm done.
Thank you.
Totally useless. Just don't know anything.
Hold on. Are you trying to tell me it didn't work out?
They scammed me.
Scammed you? I don't get it.
They duped me.
Princess, talk to me.
These niggas scammed me.
Ouch.
Kamsi is alive.
She
is alive and well.
Oh,
I saw her.
Oh my god. Okay. Did you try finding out what happened? Talk to me.
I called them, they are not picking my calls.
Call their boss.
I called him, he's not picking my calls.
But you told me you know him.
I know him, but he's not picking my calls.
Oh my goodness.
Kamsi is alive.
Okay.
She's alive and unwell. Not even a scratch.
It's okay.
They don't even color one eye. Color one leg.
It's okay. It's okay.
She's alive and unwell.
Calm down. Calm down. You know what's gonna happen? I'll advise you don't strike. No, don't do anything anymore. Just let it lay low. You know your dad. If anything happens to Kamsi, I don't know what's gonna happen to you. And even your mom. Yeah, I have a plan. Yeah, I do. I do.
Talk to me. Anything. I would do anything to see her dead.
It's okay.
Talk to me.
Calm down. Listen. Talk to my dad. Yes, you know he's the owner and your dad listens to him. So talk to him, but you have to be calm. You talk to him really, really calm. I think everything is going to be resolved. Yeah. What do you think? Princess!
I should allow a gym coach to come to my palace to coach my boy.
Your Majesty, if she continue to pressure, that means she might do it when you are not around.
Are you aware we are talking about a queen? Are you aware it is the queen we are talking about here?
Yes, Your Majesty. I know. Okay, is it not better that we provide for her here in this palace than to allow the queen go to the gym outside? Huh?
Isioma, why are you doing this to me? She's just trying to frustrate me by sending my first daughter away because she's not her mother. This is not fair, no.
Your Highness, this is royal matter. All I want is peace to reign. And that is it. Just tread with caution.
There. Stay there. 4, 5, 6, up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Good. Nice one, my friend. Tomorrow maybe we'll do belly workout.
Osioma,
Biwe.
what is going on here? What is the meaning of what I just saw?
My gym instructor training me on how to squat.
I am not comfortable with this your gym thing, you know that. I'm not.
Igwe, I think I know why you are not comfortable with my gym thing, like you said. It's because you barely exercise. You barely gym. The only gym you take part in is in speaking and listening to that swine you got from the pit of hell. You are telling everybody she's your daughter. That's the only gym you know about. Igwe, do you really think I am a fool? Is that what you think?
Isioma, you are just paranoid and nothing more. I have told you before, and I'm going to say it again for the very last time, that Kamsirio is my child, my flesh and blood. You see, just as I love, provide for, and care for Chetachi, that is the same way I am going to take care of Kamsirio Chuko. And there is nothing you can do about it. Now get that into your head.
I will get that into my head. But King, sooner than you know, the truth will be bare and everyone will dish it, eat it and swallow it sooner than you know.
You can continue to dig for the truth for all I care. Queen Isioma.
Nonsense. Good riddance to bad nonsense.
What is it now? Why are you jogging me like that? What is it now? Talk. What happened? You said you wanted to tell me something. What is it? Talk now. Shut up. Okay. Shut up. I'll shut up. Just shut up and observe. Hey. See. Hey. How am I supposed to tell you this one? I'm not supposed to tell you this. Because of you're my cousin. And we move with patients can't see sometimes. That's why I'm telling you this. Don't go and tell it to any soul. I will not tell. Don't tell it to anybody. I will not tell. But why now? Why would she be planning such a thing now? Hey. Why would she be? Why would she be? Okay, I'm calm. I'm calm. Calm down. I'm calm. I'm fine. Let's go back. Okay. Pretend like we never had this discussion. Nothing happened. We never had this discussion. Let's go back. Just pretend it. Stop now. Okay.
Chesachi, I thought you told me something about that self-assumed role you mark. What is happening? What?
They did not execute Chicha.
Exactly why I'm here. I want to know why.
Those idiots know her. Apparently they've been friends from worry.
Oh my God. Oh God. I detest that girl with everything in me. I hate her so much.
Oh Mom, you don't hate her as much as I do. Her presence in this palace pisses me the hell off.
God, what do we do now? What do we do now?
Oh, don't worry. I have a second plan.
A second plan? And what could that be?
I am the princess of this kingdom. Like I said, don't worry. By the time you turn your back, you'll realize that she's gone for good.
Oh, This is soothing. Oh God, a bit relieved. Stop! Stop that already. Your father is around. What is this?
Oh, come on now. Body just they pepper me. I just want to cool my hair.
Yes, I understand. But then, your father is around and I am standing before you. The least you could do is accord us a little respect. Meanwhile, your father and I will be traveling to Abuja for a royal conference.
When?
Next tomorrow. Oh God.
Mom. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why this sudden quest in gym? To the extent of inviting the coach to the palace.
I'll see you later, my princess.
Have a nice day.
Nah, I don't know why you're being so stubborn. Eh? Why?
Uloma, what gave you the right to touch my woman?
You're a woman indeed.
Listen, I'm begging you to stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stop harassing me. Stop bugging me. You're bugging me too much in this village and I don't like it. What's wrong with you? What's your problem? Why are you pressuring me?
Shut up! Nah, I'm sorry.
Don't try it.
No, that's not what I meant. I mean, just look at me now. Am I not fine enough? Just look at my skin. I'm better than Dana. Look at me. I will give it to you the way you want. Look at... There is nothing Adana has that I don't have. Hey, look at me for once. Please.
Listen and listen very carefully. The next time you harass Adana or me in this village, I won't be this kind. Am I understood?
Adana. Nah, you're working out on me. Nah, it's me. Oh no, whose daughter? Hey, it is me, Uloma. When I see something I want, I go for it. And it is you I want and I will surely get you. I don't care about Adana. I will get you.
I like you because you're a man of dignity. I also like you because you're the kind of man that can change the heart of my father, the king. I also like you because you look like a man that knows your onion as a man. outcasts, come to the palace and I will give you a special treat. But it comes at a price. You must play your role very well. I repeat, you must play your role very, very wonderfully well. I'll leave you with one thing. Every aging man needs a younger blood. Think about it.
Every aging man needs a younger blood. This girl have mesmerized me. Seriously. How can she desire me to sleep with her? What kind of desire is that? I know that she wants me to talk to her father about to rig Kamsi from the palace. But must she offer me her body? Anyway, I cannot reject this royal offer. I cannot reject this royal offer. Even though she's my daughter's friend. That will not stop me from taking this sugar from the palace. Akwamiko na toto. Akwamiko na toto.
My sweet daddy.
Papa. 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 Papa.
Hello,
Papa, are you alright?
Yes,
Hey.
I'm alright. Just that I was thinking about something, not too important anyway.
Hey.
I mean, why I discussed with your friend in the palace today.
Princess Shitashi.
Yes.
Okay. Papa, are you going to do what she wants?
You know about it?
Yes, now, Papa. Papa, it's like you're forgetting me and Princess Shitashi. We are one now. Everything she knows, I know. Yes.
That thing will be a very dangerous task.
Dangerous. Papa, it's like you're forgetting who you are in this community. You don't know. You're very close to the king. Anything you tell him to do, he will do. Good, bad, anything at all, he will listen to you. Eh?
Oloma.
Yes, Papa.
Taking Princess Kamsi out of that palace will be a tedious thing. Yes.
Papa. Papa. There's nothing tedious about that. You just need to shoot that thing. That leaf. Just shoot it and then say it. Just tell them anything. They will listen to you.
What leave are you talking about?
But you know the leave I'm talking about now. The do as I say leave. Show it and then you talk to the king. He will listen to you. That reminds me, Papa, me, I need that leave to myself. I want it. You have to give to me.
Look, I have stopped using that leave for a long time now, so I don't know what you are talking about.
Papa, me, I'm your daughter and I know your secrets. You're a strong traditionalist. I know you have that leave. You give to me too because me, I want to use it for my own benefit also. Yes.
Uloma.
Papa.
What do you want to do with the leave?
Papa, what I want to do with the leave does not concern you now. It's for my own benefit.
Now stand up.
Papa.
Stand up! Get inside.
Papa, me, if it's somebody, Papa, me, I'm your
Yeah,
daughter. I don't like this thing you're doing,
Please now, please. Ami.
Ogenedi, why are you disturbing my life in this video?
Hey, I'll be begging you now. Just, I want us to reconcile. I want us to come back again. You know, I used to love you. I still love you now. So I want us so that our relationship will be as sweet as it used to be.
And you're married to that demon?
Oh, you see, Ifeoma. Ifeoma is just a nightmare to me. Ifeoma is never my type. That overgrown babu. That Enyi, it's not my type. Amaka, it's you I love. Amigom, I still love you.
It's not your type, but he got her pregnant.
That is what I'm telling you now. See that girl, it's like she used something on me. It's like Ifeoma cast a spell on me because imagine me and Ifeoma, that girl with big yansh, with no brain. It's not my type now. It is you that is my type. Because you know.
We have dated for a few years. And you left me and get that wench pregnant. And they are here telling him that he's not your type.
You see, I'm awkward. The same Ifeoma. The same Ifeoma. Ifeoma, God will punish you. Ifeoma, anyway, you a thunder will fire you. See, let's forget Ifeoma. Please, it is you and I now.
Isn't it? You know baby. Go home and carry your cross. I'm not here for these things, please.
Go home and carry your cross. I no one carry that girl. I no one carry that Enyi. I don't like her. I don't love her. I don't need her. It is you that I want.
I told you I don't want someone that will pour me hot water. I'm in a serious relationship. Can't you hear me?
Hey, go on serious relationship. Huh? Ami, go. Hey, oh God, Ifeoma, you see this girl? Ifeoma, anywhere you are, thunder will fire you. Oh God, they go no one. Hey, Ami.
Collins, I will not repeat myself. Prepare and come back to Nigeria. I'm not coming to London anytime soon. I don't even like that country. I said, prepare and come down to Nigeria. Come and see my father. We're not talking about that right now, Collins. Hey, listen. I am the princess. And whatever I say stands. So when I say, prepare and come to Nigeria, you pack your bag and come back. I sent you abroad. I sponsored you abroad. I completed the money for your trip. So I made you. When I need you to come back, you come back. Collins, I need you to come and marry me. I need you to come and see my father and pay my bride price. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you marry me now, I will automatically become the crown prince of this kingdom and you'll be king. Of course. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Yes, my baby. Come down and take your princess. Of course, baby. Baby, I miss you so much. I need you back here with me. I need you to touch me every night. I need to feel you. I miss you. And the most of all, I need to become the first and the only princess of this kingdom. Yes, my love. See you soon. Bye.
Oh, what is this now? What is this? What? Does it mean I cannot sleep in my house anymore? Why are you disturbing me? Why?
You are starving me of sex in this palace. And this is not good.
Oh, really? I will no longer open my legs for you to enter. Since you, my husband, has refused to put my ideas and opinion into consideration. I am not just your wife. I am the queen, the first lady of this kingdom. I am not going to open my legs again for you. Don't you understand?
Why are you so heartless and mean to Kamsi?
Oh.
Why?
You think it's about Kamsi? Please, spare me that. I am not interested in talking about that.
You slapped her the other day. And now you're doing all of this just for me to kick her out of the palace. Or the Ramba.
King Goji, I am still waiting for that day. You will sit me down and tell me who Kamsi is to you. Kamsi is not a royal blood.
Enough!
Can't you see she's not a royal blood?
I said enough!
And I can never accept her as your daughter. Never!
Enough!
Not now, not ever!
You are really taking me for granted. You know that, right? You are really forcing me. You know that, right? Let me tell you something. You're pushing me to take in another wife, and that I will not hesitate to do. If you keep pushing me this way.
You dare not. You dare not. King Oji, I said you dare not. Try me. Try me. I said, try me. Try me. Rubbish. Good riddance to back my face. Don't let me have my face.
This woman is taking me for granted. I will show you that I'm king.
Omunakwe, I see you are a clown in this kingdom. But I will not underrate the fact that things can always turn around, even for the lowest of them all. My source told me that you're planning to marry that bitch from Warri. I trust my source because they are professional. So I'm here to let you know one thing. If you want to bury you and your family, you will stay away from her.
This girl is just annoying. She's just showing herself. Must everybody know you are the first princess?
But you would have just slapped her.
Slap who? This one is not his meal. She's dying for me, I know.
Let's go inside.
Even if I want to marry Kamsi, she will not do anything. Who are you talking to today?
Drop one, let's go inside.
You will be out for 1 month. Because we'll be traveling to London for a condolence. Kamsi, I want you to be in charge of all the affairs of the palace as the head until I return. I do not want to hear that you and your sister were engaged in any form of fight or quarrel.
P-man.
Am I understood?
P-man.
What? In charge of what?
What a bum. P-man. Oh, talk man to man. You understand? Based on who you be as a guy man, and me too, I be guy man. And they tell you I no go fail your government. You see this palace, I go run everything what they do for you well. The only thing I no go wrong. Now say all this your meeting, we palace meeting, we do no go down. But every other thing I go give you. Yeah, Alpha, no knock on it. You know, may God go with you.
All right, let's go. We are late.
My angel, look at me. My jewel, my sweet womb opener, the only recognized princess of this kingdom, the apple of God's eyes. I am traveling with your father and will be back in 1 month's time. I would like you to take care of this palace because I trust you can do that. Okay? As it should be. With all pleasure.
Queen of the coast. As you dey fly for air now, greet the queen of wind. Greet them for me, queen of the coast. Costa, costa, costa boss. Costa, costa, costa boss. Costa, costa, costa boss.
You have no place here. You are not in charge of anything because you are nobody. And if you cross my fire, it will burn you. Fire!
Act vulnerable.
You understand? See, as I was saying, you need to look into that matter.
Okay.
You're supposed to understand the angle I'm coming from.
Ishi, excuse me, please. Hello. Hello?
I will send the driver to come pick you midnight when the time is right.
Okay, no problem. I'll be waiting at the gate.
See you soon, my baby.
Who was that?
My wife.
Your wife, she have overstayed in this Omugo. Is she going to be there till the child is 2 years? Is she not coming back again?
Is she Ojiofo? Again, nabugo onye tinyere ndi n'ọnụ ịnapụ ya ndị ya desalala. Nke a dị mmanụ. If she want to spend 5 years, 6 years there, allow the woman to enjoy her daughter.
And she should come back to come and take care of our no. He's our wife now.
I'm not complaining. No.
Hey.
Not whenever I know.
No one trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart. Yeah. This is trouble.
Shoot. Under my watch, then this girl go come man. So you don't arrange man. Nah. Me and man bust everywhere for this palace this night. If whenever we reach airport, this girl don't arrange man. So in the night now, guards will carry man enter this house. Then there are two will come the Oslo. Hey, God Almighty, nothing I don't go see. You sleep catch me this night, man, wine.
I know one trouble, but when trouble come, I go chase down with my full heart. Yeah. This is trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace. Sapele waligi, she knows it, she not the see your face. Sapele waligi, she knows it, she not the see your face. This is trouble in the palace. Princess come see, wahala in the palace. This not trouble in the palace. Wahala in the palace. Sapele waligi, she knows it, she not the see your face. This sapele, she knows it.